decided to curl my hair a little bit for fun because I was a little bored. So it's actually really cute. I love it when I curl. Later. It's 4 o'clock and we're still not.
It's 3 o'clock.
It's 4 o'clock. There's 10 minutes till 4 o'clock. KMS. I'll vlog once we get there. So guys, we're finally at the beach. About to drive in. He's like, yay, say hi.
Say hi.
Yeah. That's mommy. Savage. So yeah, we're at the beach. Lit. So yeah. Oh look a hawk, of course. So pretty.
Ajo la Ceci de la bachata. Ajo la Ceci del internet.
Oh my god. So guys, we're at the beach and yeah, lit. I'm about to go in. So guys, we just got out of the water. It's super duper rocky right now and I'm freaking freezing. How are you guys? I'm freezing. They're cold. It's freezing, yeah. It's pretty cold. Oh, there's so many rocks, guys. Like it's crazy, right? Yeah, it's actually so beautiful. Look at the background. I love it. It's actually so beautiful. I love the beach, to be honest. It's so nice and beautiful and kind. And yeah, I'm having an amazing time with my family. Guys, say hi. You guys are just laying down there and not saying hi to my vlog. Okay, all right. We're having a lit time here, guys. I love my fam with the fam. You know what it is. Can we switch towels? I like gray better. Gray looks better on me, please. No.
Hey, this towel's wet. Yeah, you trying to psych me out?
No, seriously, like nothing happened. I'm not even joking. Like I just like gray. Like look at my skin. You see? Look, you see our complexion looks better. I'm not joking. You had like a triple chin in that. Alright. If you want to bottom this juice.
Sing it, Mariah. Behind me.
Watermelon. Watermelon. What are you doing? Hey, Mom. I guess we all have our ups and downs in life. Yep, our downs. Cute. You guys don't ever try out for football, guys. Okay? All right. Oh, maybe. Oh, damn it! Oh my God! That pelican, is it on it? Oh, I thought it was on it. I was gonna be weak. I sound like a seagull, you know, because I'm a seagull. Oh my God, this thing is around. Let's turn it around, 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 turn it around. Oh, yeah, turn it around. Oh my God, a couple holes walking on the sand.
I just started off.
Okay, I guess I have no man. I hope they don't like watch my vlogs, because if they do one day and they're just like, oh, that's me, that'll be really embarrassing. He goes on an ankle. Come on. Come on. I'll help you. I'll help you. Adonis, ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna slap you. 1, 2, 3. Bah.
No.
You love getting digged up. You must have a lot of secrets. You must have a lot of secrets. Oh shoot. Oh, someone just got in trouble. I don't know. Someone must be I don't know.
No, look at the thing. We're not allowed to pass. We were way past that. What?
I don't know who. I'm trying to.
We're not allowed to pass. We're past that,
You
bro.
have a lot of dirty secrets, Malaya. What are the
Okay, get off.
Tell me. You must be on Pretty Little Liars, man. Because you're so freaking cute. Okay, we deadass just saw fishes in the water and almost died. Okay, that's all I gotta say. Okay, guys. Almost cried. Adonis, right? You're wearing both of my glasses and Mom's glasses. You look.
I had a soda. Oh, damn it, this is
Nice job, man. Really nice job. Okay, guys, so we just got chased by fish 2.5 seconds ago and almost got killed. Yeah, so that was nice, right, guys? That was gang, bang, bang, bang. We just like totally got gained. Oh, bye. Hey, guys, let's just take a moment to like. So, guys, the sun is out. What time is it? Now, finally, the sun is out.
like 6 hours.
The sun is out and I'm feeling okay. Hope you have a really good day.
That's nice, the mountain view.
And the water is not as cold anymore, guys. That's good. Considered. Some money. Everyone's Gucci, you know what it is.
Oh my God,
And yeah, it's pretty nice out. So guys, I got all the pictures and videos I can get.
Damn it, this is the blanket we
This
used to
is
sleep.
the way back we came, and we are with Cowabunga.
The best thing about this trip was watermelon.
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 1, 2, 3. Watermelon. We're home officially. Look at my hair. Oh my god. If I like that to my hair, like after I get out of like the pool and I don't put any conditioner, because like it's super frizzy and stuff, I'm gonna like, oh man, I'm so tired. Say hi, hi.
Hi.
Say hi to my beautiful people that watch my vlogs,
Hi.
that watch my life. Tell them, do you think my vlogs are entertaining?
Yeah.
Do you think they should subscribe?
Yeah.
Alright guys, say love you, bye.